Hey guys, it's HookahJohn here with another video and another new product, and one that's actually really good this time. Alright, I know I put everything out there that's on the market, almost everything. Some I'm excited about, some I don't really, I just show it to you, whatever. These ones I really want to show to you, and these ones I'm really excited. Come check out the Prometheus line of hookahs. Actually, Prometheus is the model of a new line coming out. They'll have a bunch of hookahs here. These are US made hookahs. Made by a local guy. We've got 3 different colors. Check this out. We've got this one, obviously your really nice black here and polish. We'll get it close up here. We get a silver. We've got them put on bases for you, which when you do buy them, you can either get just a stem and tray. You can get it with standard base if you're choosing, probably one of these two, the goldish one and the black one, or you could put an HJ hookah base on it, the Bohemian. And you know what, we're coming out with the new Bohemian line soon. The cool thing about this gold one, check this out, it actually says, what does it say? I didn't see it too well. It says it's made in the USA and it's the HJ gold model. Super heavy. So, you know, I can go into telling you about all the specs on it, but I'm really not, because I can't. Look at the downstem. Now there's a purpose for all this, and I really can't get into it. So what I'm going to do is have the guy who actually made these, created these, come tell us about it. So in the next video, he'll be here. All right, so we'll do this. I'm gonna show you all the details on this, but actually, why don't we just bring him in right now? Celios, you mind coming in and showing us stuff? Celios is the owner of Headquarters Hookah in Tucson, Arizona. How you doing, bud? Nice to see you. All right, I need you to explain this, because there's so much science that goes into making this, and you've explained it to me, and you spent like well over an hour just presenting this to me. And the good thing about you is you can present it, since you are the creator, and I can't, because I am the smoker and the reseller. So why don't we come on in here? I'll do that. Let me take this and I'll ask you some questions here. Okay, hopefully we get some good camera work going on. All right, go ahead and talk about it for me a little bit.
All right, John, so this is the Prometheus. It comes apart into 3 separate pieces for cleaning purposes. Now, I know a lot of people aren't very big fans of threaded pieces, but I don't know how your camera's going to pick this up or not. But those are some beefy threads that we actually design and manufacture so they don't cross thread. So you can't cross thread this hookah, it's not going to go bad on that. Now, we've got access to a lot of cool technology in the US, and I think it's about time we start applying to the hookah world. I know you and I have had this talk in the past as well.
Sure.
But this beautiful piece right here is made out of a tri-metal as well. So it is a aerospace steel, including with the ball bearing is a 3/16 surgical stainless, as well with the downstem. So that is the best stainless you could possibly get. Same material that surgeons use for surgeries or implants.
Okay, I'm just checking out the purge ports in there.
There we go. Now, if you've noticed, most hookahs have a smaller purge port than the actual hose adapter. These two are actually identical in size. And and that's because of the pressure system that we've designed and developed for the hookah itself. It's got a self-locking ball bearing. So, actually, when you
What is a self-locking ball bearing?
Self-locking ball bearing means you don't require to take a pull to actually get the ball to go back down. I don't know if you can actually see in there, but the ball itself is pretty deep inside.
You can actually, because it's so deep. There it is.
See that? It has a little spot that it sits in. You purge, it goes up, and it goes right back in and locks itself in place.
All right. Why is that important?
For pressure. You don't want to have any air leaks.
All right. I'm going to move around to this angle over here, and so we can see the models while you're talking. Why don't you stand over here?
Alrighty. So this hookah is a little bit in reverse, and I know in the industry we really enjoy our really fat down stems, but in this case they're actually not necessary. They're not good for this piece in particular. This piece is designed for dense, clean, flavorful smoke, and that's because our port up here is much larger than other hookahs on the market.
All right.
Then it gets a little bit smaller once we get to the central plumbing here. And the reason I call this central plumbing is because we actually have etched little areas in the port that swirl and stop the smoke. That provides pressure.
Like a pressure buildup, so you get more smoke from the top of the hookah, becoming more dense on the way down.
Correct. So it's
All right.
it's like your plumbing system at home. So we've taken that and essentially assembled it into this. Best part is you can't really see the seams on where it comes apart. Most of the time when I ask people where does this thing come apart, they always point in the middle.
Right. Right. That's what I assumed.
What else would you like to know, John?
I think that's about it. I don't want to give a ton of info. I do want you to go in a little bit more about the reasoning for the wider. Here, let's compare. Give me the down stem of yours, and I'll show the top of this, just in comparison. So point your down stem towards me. Okay. So you can see the significant difference in diameter. If there we go. So there is a significant difference in diameter from the top to the bottom of this pipe.
Well, that's glad you asked, John. It's very simple. The idea is just like you're plumbing at home, the tubes always start larger, so you're able to draw in as much smoke as you possibly can in the first draw. What actually pressurizes, creates the flavor, and the amount of smoke you receive happens throughout the channel. So same thing with when you turn on the shower head. The way you create that pressure is you start from a larger object in mass, and it just gets smaller and follows pathways by the time it gets to the bottom.
Right. That is awesome. I want to go back and smoke a little bit. I get no camera assistance right now, but we can set this little mini tripod up. Sorry for the shakiness. The other camera didn't work. I just got the new Samsung Note. Go ahead and take a couple pulls on that. And I want to see how this works. I got a good angle here, but just not good enough to get the top.
Did I mention no ghosting?
No ghosting. How's that?
Well, it's pretty nice. There's no surface for the actual the flavor to stain and stick.
Yeah, right there. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm enjoying smoking this. We've been working on this since last week, and I was excited about getting these, especially in the gold color. You came to me with silver and the black, which are on the market right now.
And the black you'll only be able to find here, sir.
The black
Sorry,
or the gold?
the gold.
The
The
gold.
gold.
You'll only be able to find at HookahJohn.com. We're also, the good thing about Celios is he's working on a few more models,
Correct.
right? And those will be coming out soon. And you'll see a lot more products coming from this guy. So I'm excited for that.
I'll do what I can, John. Hey, thank you for having me.
Thanks, Basilios. I'm going to go back and enjoy this. We'll catch up. We'll go through some more stuff. The plate on the gold one, which is different from the other plates. All right, check this out. Get my initials on it, little HJ. So that's pretty cool. The other ones are, I know some people like having HookahJohn brand on them, or some people don't. Just a little, tag on it or whatever. So you can get silver or black, which are without any type of marking on it. So those are pretty cool. And yeah, I can't wait. What about the tray? Tell us something about the tray real quick.
Alrighty, the tray. Try bending that for me, John.
All right. Let's see. HookahJohn puts his ass. I don't know if it's on. I get a lot of weight here on a hard table. No bend.
So the tray itself is made of the same aerospace technology as the hookah itself is. And it's got little grooves that help hold and catch the ash.
Nice.
Locks, it doesn't lock in place, but it sits firmly so it doesn't actually wiggle around. I don't know if you can see that from the camera. Only thing it does is it rotates.
Yeah, cool deal. All right, I'm excited about these. We're gonna get these up on the site in a little bit. Probably close to Monday. We'll have this video up tonight, but we'll have this available at HookahJohn.com. And if you're in the Tucson area, go out to Headquarters Hookah. And I might be out there for your grand opening, which is
September 18th.
September 18th, 2015. I'll see you guys there.
Great, John.
Thank
Thank you.
Get a little more action shot in there, a little more description.
I melted.
All right, guys, I'm out. Thanks for watching.